Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Looking for an easier way to make fresh homemade bread? Let's take a quick look at the OSIPOTO 2LB bread maker. With 17 automatic programs, OSIPOTO gives you more flexibility for different bread and dough recipes, while handling much of the mixing, kneading, rising, and baking for you. Its 2-pound capacity makes it a practical choice for everyday household baking, from breakfast bread to sandwiches and toast. The 15-hour delay timer is especially useful for busy schedules, allowing you to prepare your ingredients ahead of time and have fresh bread ready when you need it. The LCD display and simple controls make the machine easy to operate, while the non-stick bread pan helps with removing the finished loaf and cleanup. With its range of programs and automatic operation, you can explore different homemade bread options with less hands-on work. So, is it worth considering? For beginners, busy home cooks, and anyone who wants homemade bread with less effort, the OSIPOTO 2-pound bread maker offers a convenient combination of features. For our full review, including the pros, things to consider, and current Amazon details, check the link in the description. Subscribe to Smart Kitchen Products Hub for more kitchen product reviews. Thanks for watching.